versus pink challenge?
Pink versus blue challenge? That sounds awesome!
Let's do it! Alright, let's go!
Whoa!
Okay, you guys have 5 minutes to go shopping. Max, you get the blue food. Mia, you get the pink food. Okay, whoever gets the most food will win, and the challenge will begin. Wow, there's so much pink food. I'm totally gonna win. Ooh, chocolate pies, cookies, cake.
Blue food, huh? Mia's going so fast. How am I supposed to win? Oh, I will have all the pink food so I can win this challenge. Mia's gonna lose. I'll hide them here.
Huh? Where's all the pink food?
Gonna win. Amy.
Well, what is it, Max?
Do you want this money, Amy?
Wow, yeah, of course I do.
If you give me all the blue food in the store, you can have this.
Blue food? I got it. Here you
Yes.
go. Aha! Got you!
Huh, Ivy? When did you get here?
I see everything. How dare you cheat? I'm taking everything in that basket, and you have only 1 minute left for the challenge.
Only a minute. Oh no.
So weird. Where'd all the pink food go? Hey, Mia, here's the rest of the pink food. What? Where did you get all that? And why are you giving it to me? Max was cheating, so to be fair, you get this basket. Yes, I'm totally gonna win this challenge. Thank you, Ivy. Max, time's up.
Huh? Time's up already? Okay.
Wow, you have a lot of pink food.
Oh man, she has so much. I hope I can still win.
All right, let's go back to the challenge room and see who wins. Now, time for counting. I'll go first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yes, I got 21. How many did you get, Max?
I don't know. Let me see. 1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Oh man, I only got 16.
Which means Mia wins the challenge!
I lost.
Don't worry, Max. Now comes the best part of the challenge. Eating!
Yeah, let's do it. We'll start with the snack first.
Okay.
Mmm.
Ooh, I want to try mine too. Number 1 chip. Really? Let me try.
All right, now I want to try a drink.
Hold on, Max. Let's do the pink versus blue drink challenge. Whoever creates the coolest drink wins. Wow, that's so awesome.
Yeah, I'm gonna win this time.
All right, let the challenge begin.
Oh.
Let me start with the pink Moo Goo Moo Goo and the strawberry ooze tube. Next, pink pudding and popping candy. Lastly, toilet candy. Yeah.
All right, time for my drink. I'm gonna start with blueberry ramune. Now, blue ooze tube. Time for the bottle pop and coconut water. Now let's shake it up!
Calm down, guys. Now I'm gonna try and see which one's better. Okay, try mine first. How does it taste? It's not bad.
Here, try mine.
Okay.
Which one's better? Is it mine?
No way, mine's better, right? Let me think. Max wins this time! Let's try the pink Hello Panda.
And I'll have the blue Hello Panda. Mmm, vanilla.
Strawberry.
Now, Gummy Choco.
1, 2, 3, 5.
Mmm.
Hello Kitty cookies.
Crazy Frog cookies.
1, 2, 3, go! Now say hello to wafers and crackers.
All right.
Yes, I love wafers.
I love crackers.
Here you go.
Ooh. Wafer popsicle. Number 1 wafer. Blue coconut candy.
Pink coconut candy. Coconut candy challenge. Ready, set, go! Mia wins! Woo! Pink noodle.
Blue noodles. Mmm.
Now time for candy!
Candy!
Hubba Bubba Candy Pops!
Sour powder candy! Mmm, that's so sour! Mmm!
Alright, time for chocolate pie and cake!
Yay! Mmm, yummy chocolate pie!
Mmm, so good! Hi everyone!
Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below!
Subscribe and hit the bell button!